Are you looking for a quick and reliable way to convert your MBOX mailboxes into HTML files? With WholeClear MBOX to HTML converter, you can migrate all your MBOX emails into HTML format in just 3 simple steps: fast, secure, and effortless. Key features of MBOX to HTML converter include MBOX attachments. Preserve and convert all attachments along with email data. Batch mode support. Convert multiple MBOX files to HTML in one go. Compatible with all Windows versions. Works seamlessly across all editions of Windows OS. Supports multiple MBOX platforms. Converts MBOX files created by various email clients. Steps to convert MBOX files to HTML. Step 1. Launch WholeClear MBOX to HTML converter. Step 2. Select the desired MBOX file as the source. Step 3. Choose between folder mode or file mode, then browse and load MBOX files. Step 4. Select Convert to HTML file format. Step 5. Click the Browse button and choose a destination path to save HTML files. Step 6. Hit the Convert Now button to begin the conversion. Once the process completes, you can open and view the resulting HTML files directly in any web browser. WholeClear MBOX to HTML converter. Simple, fast, reliable. Convert your MBOX files to accessible HTML pages today with just a few clicks. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.